In this tutorial, I would like to show you how to create bar charts. Now in Excel, that's easy. You type in the numbers and it does it for you. In Affinity, unfortunately, that's not possible. So we have to do the math ourselves. So how did I create this chart? First of all, in certain situations, I have to do the math to get the percentages. Now, in this case as well, all I knew is that I had 68 students, and I knew that 15 students booked photography, 19 students infographics, 27 social media, and 7 students web design, a total of 68. Now, how did I do the percentages? It's pretty easy. 50 students divided by 0.68 equals 22.06%. Next, 19 students divided by 0.68. The total number of students is 2794. 27 students divided by 0.68 and so on. Those are the percentages which are equal to 68 students at the 100%. Good. So once I have the math done, then I can start. Then I have to blend in my grid. Show grid. Maybe I have to make alterations to my grid setting. That's easy. I go under View, Grid and Axis Manager. Maybe I have an automatic setting which doesn't work, so I go under Basic and type in the number I want. In my case it was 13 millimeters and I click on the Enter key. I need to have a 100% bar to create the rest. So I get my rectangle tool. Let's say this will be my 100%, but I maybe have to make slight adjustments. And also important, go up here and say Enable Snapping, snap to grid. So I have my 100%, Command J to duplicate it, move it over. First I have to create my first bar, 22.06%. I go down here to Transform, where I have my height. I select it all and type in 22.06 and the percentage symbol and click Enter. I move it down. And again, Command J to make a duplicate, move it over. The next percentage would be 27.94. I typed it in. 27.94% and I move it down again. Again, Command J, 39.71%, Enter, and again Command J, move it over, 10.29%, Enter. So my bars are ready. Now I'll show you another way how to align it automatically. Up here I have the possibility to go in here and I say Align vertically, Align bottom, and I hit Apply. Now the colors. I select my blue, go into my swatch boxes, and if I can't see my swatch boxes here, we go into View, Studio, Swatches, and I have my table colors already prepared. I choose a yellow, I choose an orange, I choose a pink, and I choose a green. Then I draw a line for 0% and a line for 100%. I grab my pen tool, click, hold down the Shift key, click again to make a straight line. The 0% I would like to have 100%, okay, at the 1 point. If I would like to make the point wider, now it's a 2-point line. Now either I click again, Command J, what I can also do is hold down the Alt key and move it up together with the Shift key, which sets it precisely on top. Then I go into 50% K. Then I know I need to have 1, 2, 3 lines in addition to that. Command J, move it down a bit. Command J, Command J. Now to make these lines spread evenly, now select the first line, hold down the Shift key, still hold down the Shift key, select all the lines, go into the alignment again and choose Space vertically and click Apply. Now I'm at the point where I can actually get rid of the grid so I don't see it, either by using the toggle preview mode, and I can see I would like to have the lines behind the color bars. Again with the Shift key, right click, Arrange, move to back. Now, but I also can see that my bars still have a black line. Select one bar, hold down the Shift key, select the others, and I can see up here I still have a gray outline and I make this invisible. Now the numbers are easy. Now select my frame text tool, type in 0%, go down with the point size and add on the remaining numbers. Now I added on the 0% and again Command J to make a duplicate. Move it up to the position I like, let go. Now if I click Command J again, it positions it at the exact same spot. Command J, Command J, Command J. So all I have to do is add on the numbers. Now I have to make the box larger. When you enlarge a text box, Attention that you move it on this frame, you don't move it here, otherwise you enlarge the text as well. And I type in the remaining numbers and your bar chart is almost ready. In my next tutorial, I would like to show you how to create three-dimensional bar charts.